Hello, Peppa fans! Welcome back to Quiz Metro. Think you know everything about Peppa, Daddy Pig, and their friends? Let's find out. I'll give you fun questions, tricky facts, and character challenges. Some are easy, some might fool you, so listen carefully. But before we start, subscribe to this channel for more challenges. Let's go! First round, Candy Cat is Peppa Pig's best friend. That's false. Daddy Pig fell asleep after eating at a picnic. That's right, he got sleepy after enjoying his food. Can you guess the character by emoji? Nice, friends. This is Candy Cat. Try this one. Mr. Bull often sniffs. That's right, Mr. Bull often sniffing. This is Evie Pig. This is true or false? False. That's Peppa when she was younger. Here comes another one. Madame Gazelle is a vampire. Absolutely false. Who is this character? Drop your answer in the comments. This is Grandpa Rhino. Can you find the different emoji? Here is the different one. Mr. Bull works as a male nurse. You got it! It's true! Round 10. Mr. Zebra works in construction. False. He was a postman who delivered letters. Peppa Pig is a twin. Is this right? Nah, it's false statement. What is the name of this character? Granny Pig. Mr. Cat's Cafe is next to Mr. Fox Shop. This is true. Try this. Granny Pig keeps chickens. Absolutely true. Another one. Lottie Liama speaks Japanese. Oh no, this is false. George Pig and Richard Rabbit are best friends. True, they are very close friends. Can you find the 3 differences in these images? Time up! Peppa saw a koala in Australia. It's true or false? Great job, it's true! This is Peppa Pig's house. False one, it's Susie Sheep's house. Do you remember Daddy Pig is a police officer? It's false, he is a construction engineer. Peppa and Kylie played badminton in Australia. False. Can you guess the correct image of Candy Cat? Answer. Try this one. Mummy Pig hates wasps. True. This is Rebecca Rabbit's house. It's true. Daddy Pig swims without wearing any clothes. That's false statement. How many answers did you get right? If you enjoyed the quiz, don't forget to like, share, and play again. Tell us in the comments which question was the hardest for you.